Namaste. My name is Devian Rishi Gautam. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the security and privacy concerns in web media or web journalism. The Internet of Things is connecting more devices every day, and we are headed for a world that will have 64 billion IoT devices by 2025. This growth carries several benefits as it will change the way people carry out everyday tasks and potentially transform the world. Having a small home is undoubtedly cool and will draw oaths and ahs from our guests. But smart lighting can actually reduce overall energy consumption and lower your electric bill. New developments would allow connected cars to link up with smart city infrastructure to certain an entirely different ecosystem for the driver who is simply used to the traditional way of getting from points to a point A to point B. And connected healthcare devices give people a deeper and fuller look at their own health or lack thereof than every before. But with all of these benefits comes risk, as the increase in connected devices gives hackers and cyber criminals more entry points. Late last year, a group of hackers took down a power grid in a region of western Ukraine to cause the first blackout from a cyber attack, and this is likely just the beginning, as these hackers are looking for more ways to strike critical infrastructure such as power grids, hydroelectric dams, chemical plants, and more. And aside from these security issues, the average consumer is concerned about his or her privacy. After all, if so much of the consumer's life is connected, then what is off limits? Below, we have compiled a list of some of the biggest IoT security and privacy issues as we head toward this truly connected world. IoT security issues. Public perception. If the IoT is ever going to truly take off, this needs to be the first problem that manufacturers address. The 2015 iControl State of the Smart Home study found that 44% of all Americans were very concerned about the possibility of their information getting stolen from their smart home, and 27% were somewhat concerned. Vulnerability to hacking. Researchers have been able to hack into real on the market devices with enough time and energy, which means hackers would likely be able to replicate their efforts. Next is, are companies ready? AT&T's Cybersecurity Insights report surveyed more than 5,000 enterprises around the world and found that 85% of enterprises are in the process of or intend to deploy IoT devices. Fourth is true security. Jason Porter, AT&T's VP of Security Solutions, told Insider Intelligence that securing IoT devices means more than simply securing the actual devices themselves. Companies also need to build security into software applications and network connections that link to those devices. Thank you.